Apex predator. The great white shark is often referred to as the apex predator of the ocean due to its position at the top of the marine food chain. It has few natural predators and plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. Distinctive appearance. Great white sharks have a distinctive appearance with a large torpedo-shaped body, a pointed snout, and rows of serrated triangular teeth. Their dorsal side is dark gray to black, while their ventral side is white. Size and power. Great white sharks are among the largest predatory fish, with adult individuals typically reaching lengths of 15 to 20 feet, 4.5 to 6 meters. They can weigh over 5,000 pounds, 2,268 kilograms. Their powerful jaws and strong bite force allow them to take down large prey. Predatory behavior. These sharks are opportunistic predators and feed on a variety of marine animals, including seals, sea lions, dolphins, smaller sharks, and fish. They often use a stealthy approach and burst of speed to catch their prey. Incredible speed. Great white sharks are known for their bursts of speed, capable of reaching speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour when hunting. Migration. Great white sharks are known for their long-distance migrations. They can travel thousands of miles between their feeding and breeding grounds. For example, some individuals migrate from the waters of California to Hawaii. Social behavior. While often thought of as solitary creatures, great white sharks may exhibit social behaviors such as gathering in groups for certain purposes, such as mating or scavenging on a large carcass. Teeth. Regeneration. Great white sharks have multiple rows of teeth, with new teeth constantly growing to replace those that are lost or worn down. A single shark can shed thousands of teeth throughout its lifetime. Conservation concerns. Great white sharks are considered vulnerable and are protected in many areas. They face threats from overfishing, accidental capture in fishing gear, and habitat degradation. Cultural impact. The great white shark has captured the public's imagination and is often portrayed in media and popular culture, both as a fearsome predator and a species in need of conservation efforts. Research and tracking. Scientists use satellite tags and other tracking technologies to study the movements and behavior of great white sharks. This research provides valuable insights into their ecology and helps inform conservation strategies. Longevity. The lifespan of a great white shark is estimated to be around 30 to 70 years, depending on factors such as food availability and environmental conditions. Role in ecosystems. Great white sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems by regulating the populations of their prey species. They also scavenge on dead marine animals, further contributing to ecosystem health. Mysterious breeding grounds. The specific locations where great white sharks give birth and mate, known as pupping and mating grounds, remain a mystery and are areas of ongoing research. Protection efforts. Many countries have implemented conservation measures to protect great white sharks, including fishing restrictions and designated marine protected areas. The great white shark's status as a powerful predator and its vital role in ocean ecosystems make it a subject of both fascination and conservation efforts. Understanding and protecting these apex predators is crucial for maintaining the health of our oceans. Distinctive markings. Tiger sharks are easily recognizable by their unique markings, which resemble the stripes of a tiger. These markings tend to fade as the shark gets older, but they are more pronounced in younger individuals. Large and stout. Tiger sharks are known for their stout and powerful build. They can grow to impressive sizes, with adult individuals reaching lengths of up to 15 feet, 4.5 meters or more. Some individuals have been reported to exceed 18 feet, 5.5 meters in length. Wide diet. Tiger sharks are often referred to as garbage cans of the sea due to their diverse diet. They are opportunistic predators and feed on a wide range of prey, including fish, seals, sea turtles, birds, dolphins, and even carrion. Apex predators. Tiger sharks are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the marine food chain. They have few natural predators and play a crucial role in regulating the populations of their prey species. Powerful jaws. Tiger sharks have strong, serrated teeth that are well suited for crushing and consuming a variety of prey. They are known for their ability to consume a wide range of food items including bone and shells. Habitat range. Tiger sharks inhabit a wide range of oceanic habitats from coastal waters to open ocean environments. They are commonly found in tropical and temperate seas around the world. Nocturnal hunters. Tiger sharks are known to be more active and hunt primarily during the night. This behavior allows them to take advantage of the cover of darkness to ambush prey. Migratory patterns. Tiger sharks are known for their long-distance migrations, often traveling hundreds of miles between different feeding and breeding areas. Reproduction. Tiger sharks are ovoviviparous, which means they give birth to live young. After a gestation period of around 14 to 16 months, females give birth to a litter of pups that can range from 10 to over 80 individuals, depending on the size of the mother. Conservation concerns. Tiger sharks face threats from overfishing, bycatch in fishing gear, and habitat degradation. They are considered near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to these ongoing threats. Scavengers. Tiger sharks are known scavengers and are often attracted to sources of food, including fishing vessels, waste, and even shipwrecks. Deep divers. While they primarily inhabit shallow coastal waters, tiger sharks are capable of diving to significant depths, possibly exceeding 2,000 feet, 600 meters, in search of prey. Interactions with humans. Tiger sharks have been involved in some incidents with humans, but they are generally not considered a primary threat to beachgoers. Most interactions are believed to be cases of mistaken identity or curiosity. Cultural significance. Tiger sharks hold cultural importance in some indigenous communities and are sometimes revered as symbols of power or spirituality. Scientific study. Scientists study tiger sharks to better understand their behavior, movement patterns, and role in marine ecosystems. Research helps inform conservation efforts to protect these important predators. Tiger sharks' adaptability, unique markings, and significant role in ocean ecosystems make them a subject of scientific interest and conservation concern. Understanding their behavior and ensuring their protection contributes to the health of marine biodiversity. Distinctive head shape. Hammerhead sharks are easily recognized by their unique head shape, which resembles a hammer or T-shaped structure called a cephalofoil. This head shape provides several advantages, including enhanced vision and improved maneuverability. Variety of species. There are several species of hammerhead sharks, with the most common being the great hammerhead, Spherna mocarin, scalloped hammerhead, Spherna lewini, and smooth hammerhead, Spherna zygina. Panoramic vision. The wide separation of the eyes on the hammerhead's head allows for an increased field of vision, giving them better depth perception and the ability to spot prey more effectively. Feeding behavior. Hammerhead sharks are opportunistic predators that feed on a variety of prey, including fish, squid, octopuses, and crustaceans. Their unique head shape may help them detect and capture prey hiding in the sand or rocks. Habitat range. Hammerhead sharks can be found in warm and temperate waters around the world, both in coastal areas and open ocean environments. They often prefer shallow waters, but are known to venture into deeper depths as well. Schooling behavior. Hammerhead sharks are known to form large schools, especially during migratory periods and when hunting. These schools can consist of dozens to hundreds of individuals. Reproduction. Hammerhead sharks are viviparous, meaning they give birth to live young. The pups develop inside the mother's body and are nourished through a placental connection. Conservation concerns. Some species of hammerhead sharks are facing population declines due to overfishing, primarily for their fins, which are considered a delicacy in some cultures. Conservation efforts are in place to protect and manage these species. Long distances. Hammerhead sharks are known for their long migratory patterns. They can travel thousands of miles in search of food, warmer waters, or breeding areas. Social behavior. Hammerhead sharks are often observed in social groups, which can include both individuals of the same species and different species of hammerheads. These groups may provide protection, especially for younger sharks. Shallow water swimmers. While hammerhead sharks are capable of diving to significant depths, they are often found in shallower waters, particularly near coastlines and coral reefs. Mating rituals. During the mating season, male hammerhead sharks may exhibit unique courtship behaviors, including swimming alongside females and using their hammer-shaped heads to nudge or stroke them. Endothermic abilities. Some research suggests that hammerhead sharks possess specialized blood vessels that enable them to regulate their body temperature and maintain warmer core temperatures, allowing them to tolerate a range of water temperatures. Ecological role. Hammerhead sharks play an important role in marine ecosystems by helping to control the populations of their prey species. Their presence can help maintain a balanced food web. Research and conservation. Scientists study hammerhead sharks to better understand their behaviors, migratory patterns, and reproductive biology. This knowledge is essential for effective conservation strategies to protect these fascinating marine predators. Hammerhead sharks' unique anatomy and behaviors make them a captivating subject of study and observation. Their role in marine ecosystems underscores the importance of conservation efforts to ensure their survival and maintain the health of our oceans. Speed demons Mako sharks, Isurus spp, are renowned for their incredible speed and agility in the water. They are among the fastest sharks and are known to reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour. There are two primary species of Mako sharks, the short-fin Mako, Isurus oxyrhynchus, and the long-fin Mako, Isurus paucus. The short-fin Mako is the more commonly encountered species. Distinctive appearance. Mako sharks have a sleek and streamlined body with a conical snout and a crescent-shaped tail. They are typically metallic blue on their upper body and white on their belly, a coloration known as countershading. Diet. Makos are powerful predators that feed on a variety of prey, including smaller fish, squid, and even other sharks. They are known for their ability to chase down fast-moving prey. Jumping abilities. Makos are known for their acrobatic leaps out of the water, often performing spectacular jumps known as breaches. These jumps are thought to be a hunting strategy or a means of communication. Warm-blooded adaptation. Makos are endothermic, warm-blooded sharks, which allows them to maintain their body temperature higher than the surrounding water. This adaptation contributes to their agility and speed. Migrations. Mako sharks undertake extensive migrations, often traveling across oceanic expanses in search of food and suitable breeding grounds. They are known to cover thousands of miles during their journeys. Conservation status. Mako sharks, particularly the short-fin Mako, are facing conservation concerns due to overfishing and bycatch. They are currently listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Reproductive habits. Makos are viviparous, meaning they give birth to live young. After a gestation period of about 15 to 18 months, females give birth to a litter of pups, typically ranging from 4 to 18 individuals. Lifespan. Mako sharks have relatively short lifespans, typically living up to around 20 to 30 years. Economic value. Mako sharks are commercially valuable for their meat, fins, and other body parts. They are often targeted by commercial and recreational fishermen. Sport fishing. Mako sharks are highly sought after by sport fishermen due to their size, strength, and thrilling fight when hooked. They are considered a challenging catch for anglers. Tagging and tracking. Researchers use satellite tagging and other tracking methods to study the movements and behaviors of Mako sharks. This information helps improve our understanding of their ecology and conservation needs. Predator-prey relationships. Makos have few natural predators, but they can fall prey to larger sharks, killer whales, orcas, and possibly other large marine predators. Importance in ecosystems. As apex predators, Mako sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. They help regulate the populations of their prey species and contribute to the overall health of ocean food webs. Mako sharks' remarkable speed, athleticism, and ecological role make them a captivating and important species in the marine realm. Efforts to conserve and protect these sharks are essential for maintaining the health of ocean ecosystems. Versatile habitat. Bull sharks, Carcharinus lucas, are unique among sharks because they can thrive in both saltwater and freshwater environments. They are known to travel far up rivers and can be found in estuaries and coastal waters around the world. Aggressive nature. Bull sharks are known for their aggressive behavior and are considered one of the most dangerous shark species to humans. They are responsible for a significant number of shark attacks, often occurring in shallow waters where people swim. Adaptation to freshwater. Bull sharks possess a specialized gland that helps them regulate their internal salt levels, allowing them to tolerate varying levels of salinity. This adaptation enables them to venture into freshwater environments. Dietary preferences. Bull sharks have a diverse diet that includes a wide range of prey, such as fish, rays, crustaceans, and even other sharks. Their diet can vary depending on their location and available food sources. Size and appearance. Adult bull sharks can grow to lengths of around 7 to 11 feet, or 2 to 3.4 meters, and weigh up to 500 pounds, 230 kilograms. They have a stout body with a blunt snout and a grayish or brownish coloration. Reproduction. Bull sharks are viviparous, meaning they give birth to live young. After a gestation period of about 10 to 11 months, females give birth to a litter of pups, usually ranging from 1 to 13 individuals. Motherly protection. Bull shark mothers are known for their protective behavior toward their young. They will fiercely defend their offspring and may even display aggressive behavior if they feel their pups are threatened. Coastal distribution. Bull sharks are commonly found along coastlines in tropical and subtropical regions, including the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans. They are often encountered near river mouths and in estuarine areas. Role in ecosystems. As apex predators, bull sharks play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems by regulating the populations of their prey species. Migration patterns. Bull sharks are known to undertake long-distance migrations, traveling up rivers and even crossing between freshwater and saltwater environments. They have been documented in rivers such as the Mississippi and Amazon. Conservation status. Bull sharks are not currently considered a threatened species. However, they can be impacted by habitat destruction, pollution, and overfishing, particularly due to their coastal habitat preferences. Social behavior. Bull sharks are often solitary creatures, but they can form loose groups or aggregations when food sources are abundant or during certain times of the year. Hybridization. Bull sharks have been known to hybridize with other shark species, such as the spinner shark, Carcharinus brevipina, which can make species identification challenging. Research and monitoring. Scientists study bull sharks to better understand their behavior, habitat use, and movement patterns. This information is important for conservation efforts and for minimizing human-shark interactions. Human impact. Human activities such as fishing and coastal development can affect bull shark populations. Conservation efforts focus on sustainable fishing practices and protecting critical coastal habitats. Bull sharks' ability to thrive in both saltwater and freshwater environments, combined with their potentially dangerous encounters with humans, make them an intriguing subject of scientific study and conservation concern. Understanding their behavior and ecology helps promote coexistence and responsible management of their habitats. Largest fish, the whale shark, Rhincodon typus, holds the title of being the largest fish species in the world. It can reach lengths of up to 40 feet, 12 meters or more, and some reports suggest even longer individuals. Gentle giant. Despite their massive size, whale sharks are filter feeders and pose no threat to humans. They primarily feed on plankton, small fish, and other microscopic organisms by swimming slowly with their mouths open to capture food. Distinctive appearance. Whale sharks have a unique appearance characterized by their enormous size, flattened head, and wide mouth. Their skin is covered in a unique pattern of pale yellow spots and stripes, which are used for individual identification. Global distribution. Whale sharks inhabit warm oceanic waters in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. They can be found in both coastal and open ocean environments. Migratory behavior. Whale sharks are known for their long-distance migrations. They often travel great distances to find food, mate, or give birth. Their movement patterns are still being studied to understand their full range. Reproductive mystery. Despite being one of the most iconic and recognizable species of sharks, relatively little is known about the reproductive habits of whale sharks. Their breeding and birthing areas remain a subject of ongoing research. Slow reproduction. Whale sharks have a slow reproductive rate. Females give birth to live young, and the gestation period can last up to a year or more. A single litter can contain hundreds of pups. Human interactions. Many regions around the world offer ecotourism opportunities to swim or dive with whale sharks, often in a responsible and regulated manner. These encounters provide educational and economic benefits for local communities. Conservation status. Whale sharks are classified as endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to threats such as bycatch in fishing gear, boat strikes, and habitat degradation. Protected species. Several countries have designated whale sharks as protected species, making it illegal to harm, capture, or trade them. International agreements such as the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species, CITES, also regulate their trade. Longevity. While exact lifespans are still being studied, some estimates suggest that whale sharks can live for several decades, with individuals possibly reaching over 100 years old. Ecosystem role. As filter feeders, whale sharks play a critical role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems by controlling plankton populations. Their presence supports a healthy food web. Research and tracking. Scientists use various methods including satellite tagging and photo identification to track the movements of whale sharks. This data helps researchers understand their migration patterns and behavior. Cultural significance. Whale sharks have cultural and economic importance in some regions where they are celebrated and revered. In some places, they are associated with local legends and traditions. Global efforts. Collaborative research and conservation efforts aim to protect and preserve whale sharks. Efforts include establishing marine protected areas, implementing responsible tourism practices, and raising awareness about their conservation status. Whale sharks' impressive size, unique feeding habits, and important role in marine ecosystems make them a species of great scientific interest and conservation concern. As ambassadors of the oceans, they inspire efforts to protect marine biodiversity and ensure the health of our planet's waters. Open ocean predator, the Oceanic Whitetip Shark, is a pelagic species that inhabits the open ocean, often far from coastlines. They are known to cruise the surface of the water, which has earned them the nickname cub sharks. Distinctive appearance. These sharks are recognizable by their rounded first dorsal fin and long wide pectoral fins which resemble wings. They have a uniform light-colored belly and a striking white-tipped dorsal and pectoral fin. Slow reproductive rate. Oceanic whitetip sharks have a slow reproductive rate, giving birth to relatively few pups. They are viviparous, meaning they give birth to live young. The gestation period can last for up to 12 months. Hunting strategy. Oceanic whitetips are opportunistic predators that feed on a variety of prey, including small fish, squid, and even seabirds. They are known to scavenge on dead or injured animals. Aggressive feeding. These sharks are known for their aggressive feeding behavior, often competing with other species to scavenge on food sources like floating carcasses. Behavior around humans. Oceanic whitetips are not known to be a direct threat to humans under normal circumstances. However, in situations where food is scarce, they may become more assertive and potentially approach divers or fishing gear. Conservation status. The oceanic white-tip shark has experienced significant population declines due to overfishing, especially in the past as a result of bycatch. They are currently listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Commercial use. Historically, oceanic white-tip sharks were targeted for their fins, which are highly valued in the shark fin trade. Conservation efforts are being made to regulate and reduce the impact of this trade. Global distribution. These sharks have a widespread distribution, inhabiting tropical and subtropical waters of the world's oceans. They are known to migrate long distances in search of food and suitable breeding areas. Unique adaptations. Oceanic whitetips have specialized adaptations for life in the open ocean, such as large oily livers that help them maintain buoyancy and stay afloat. Importance in ecosystems. As apex predators, oceanic whitetip sharks play a role in maintaining the health and balance of marine ecosystems by regulating the populations of their prey species. Longevity. While the exact lifespan of oceanic whitetip sharks is still being studied, some estimates suggest they can live for several decades. Research and conservation. Scientists continue to study oceanic whitetip sharks to better understand their biology, behavior, and movement patterns. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their habitats and implementing sustainable fishing practices. Global collaboration. Due to their extensive oceanic range, conservation efforts for oceanic whitetip sharks require international collaboration and the implementation of regulations across different countries' waters. Importance of management. Managing the populations of oceanic whitetip sharks is crucial not only for the species' survival, but also for maintaining the health and stability of marine ecosystems worldwide. The oceanic whitetip shark's role as a top predator in the open ocean underscores the interconnectedness of marine life and the need for responsible management and conservation efforts to ensure the sustainability of our oceans. Widespread distribution. Blue sharks are found in oceans around the world, inhabiting both offshore and open ocean environments. They prefer temperate and tropical waters and are known to migrate long distances. Distinctive appearance. Blue sharks are characterized by their slender body shape, pointed snout, and striking blue coloration on their back. They have a counter-shaded color pattern, with the dorsal side being darker blue and the ventral side being lighter. Size. Blue sharks can vary in size, with adult females typically being larger than males. They can reach lengths of up to 12 feet, 3.7 meters, and weigh around 400 pounds, 180 kilograms. Swimming abilities. Blue sharks are strong and agile swimmers, capable of covering large distances in search of food. They use their powerful tails to navigate through the water with ease. Diet. Blue sharks are opportunistic predators that feed on a variety of prey, including small fish, squid, crustaceans, and other marine organisms. They are known for their scavenging behavior and can feed on carrion. Hunting strategy. Blue sharks often employ a corkscrew hunting technique, where they twist their bodies while swimming to create a vortex that helps funnel prey towards their open mouths. Reproduction. Blue sharks are viviparous, meaning they give birth to live young. After a gestation period of around 9 to 12 months, females give birth to a litter of pups, which can range in number from 4 to over 100, depending on the individual. Conservation concerns. Blue sharks are currently listed as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. They face threats from overfishing, bycatch, and habitat degradation. Bycatch. Blue sharks are often unintentionally caught in commercial fishing gear meant for other species. Efforts to reduce bycatch are important for their conservation. Long-distance migrations. Blue sharks are known for their impressive migrations, traveling across vast oceanic expanses in search of food and suitable breeding grounds. Tagging and tracking. Researchers use satellite tagging to track the movements of blue sharks. This data helps scientists understand their behavior, migration patterns, and habitat preferences. Economic importance. Blue sharks are commercially valuable and are caught for their meat, fins, and other body parts. They are also used in the shark fin trade, which has raised conservation concerns. Social behavior. Blue sharks are known to form loose aggregations, especially around sources of food. They can be found in groups when feeding on prey. Lifespan. Blue sharks have a relatively short lifespan, typically living for around 15 to 20 years. Importance in ecosystems. Blue sharks play a role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems as both predators and scavengers. They help regulate the populations of their prey species and contribute to the overall health of ocean food webs. Blue sharks' unique adaptations and behaviors make them an important and intriguing species in the marine world. Efforts to understand and protect their populations are crucial for the health of ocean ecosystems. Common name, the bronze whaler shark is also known by several other names, including copper shark, narrow-toothed shark, and bronze whaler. Size and appearance. Bronze whaler sharks are medium-sized sharks with adult lengths typically ranging from 6 to 10 feet, 1.8 to 3 meters. They have a streamlined body and a distinctive bronze or brownish coloration on their upper bodies, which helps them blend into their environment. Global distribution. These sharks are found in temperate and subtropical waters around the world. They prefer coastal and offshore habitats, including continental shelves and deep-sea areas. Habitat preferences. Bronze whaler. Sharks are versatile in their habitat choices, and they can be found in a range of environments, from shallow coastal waters to deeper offshore areas. They are known to be more active at night. Social behavior. Bronze whaler. Sharks are often observed in groups or schools, which can consist of individuals of different sizes and sexes. These schools may form for hunting, mating, or other social reasons. Diet. These sharks have a varied diet that includes bony fish, smaller sharks, rays, squid, and crustaceans. They are considered opportunistic predators, adapting their diet to available prey. Reproductive strategies. Bronze whaler. Sharks are viviparous, meaning they give birth to live young. The embryos develop inside the mother's body where they are nourished by a placental connection. The pups are born fully developed and ready to fend for themselves. Threats. Bronze whaler sharks are often caught as bycatch in commercial fisheries, targeting other species. They are also targeted in some areas for their fins, meat, and other body parts. Overfishing poses a significant threat to their populations. Conservation status. The conservation status of bronze whaler sharks varies depending on the region, but they are generally considered near threatened or data deficient by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Role in ecosystems. Bronze whaler sharks play an important role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems by controlling the populations of their prey species. As apex predators, they help regulate the balance of marine food webs. Human interaction. While bronze whaler sharks have been implicated in a small number of shark bites on humans, they are not considered a major threat to human safety. These incidents are usually related to the shark's scavenging behavior. Migration patterns. Bronze whaler sharks are known to undertake seasonal migrations, often moving between different habitats to follow prey availability or for reproductive purposes. Research and conservation. Research efforts are ongoing to better understand the biology, behavior, and population dynamics of bronze whaler sharks. Conservation measures include regulations on fishing practices to reduce bycatch and protect their populations. Economic significance. Bronze whaler sharks are important for local fisheries in some regions, providing a source of food and income for coastal communities. Global efforts. Collaboration among countries and organizations is essential for the effective conservation of bronze whaler sharks, as their migratory behavior and wide distribution make them a shared resource that requires international management. The bronze whaler shark's adaptability and ecological role make it a valuable species to study and protect as part of broader marine conservation efforts. Living fossil. The goblin shark is often referred to as a living fossil due to its unique and primitive characteristics that have remained relatively unchanged for millions of years. Distinctive snout. One of the most striking features of the goblin shark is its long, flattened, and protrusible snout, which houses its highly specialized jaws. The snout can extend and retract as the shark searches for prey. Deep sea dweller. Goblin sharks are found in the deep sea environment, typically at depths ranging from around 1,000 to 4,000 feet, 300 to 1,200 meters. They are rarely encountered near the surface. Pink coloration. The goblin shark's skin is semi-translucent and appears pink due to the presence of blood vessels close to the surface. This pink hue fades after death. Unusual jaws. The goblin shark has unique jaws that can rapidly extend forward to capture prey. Its teeth are long, pointed, and sharp, well suited for grasping and impaling squid, fish, and other deep-sea creatures. Sluggish movements. Due to their deep-sea habitat, goblin sharks have adapted to conserve energy by having relatively slow and deliberate swimming movements. Limited information. Goblin sharks are elusive and not frequently encountered by humans. As a result, our understanding of their behavior, reproduction, and population dynamics is limited. Size variability. Goblin sharks can reach lengths of up to 12 to 15 feet, 3.7 to 4.6 meters, but smaller individuals are more commonly observed. Electroreception. Like many deep-sea creatures, goblin sharks possess specialized sensory organs called ampullae of Lorenzini, which allow them to detect weak electric fields produced by other animals. Predator of the deep. Goblin sharks are thought to be opportunistic predators that feed on a variety of deep-sea organisms, including cephalopods, fish, and crustaceans. Reproduction. Very little is known about the reproduction of goblin sharks. It is believed that they are ovoviviparous, meaning that the embryos develop inside eggs within the female's body before live birth. Global distribution. Goblin sharks have a wide distribution and are found in oceans around the world, although they are most commonly encountered in the Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific Oceans. Cautious behavior. Goblin sharks are not considered a threat to humans due to their deep-sea habitat and elusive nature. Encounters with humans are extremely rare. Deep-sea adaptations. The goblin shark's unique adaptations, such as its extendable jaws and specialized snout, allow it to thrive in the challenging and little-explored depths of the ocean. Conservation status. Goblin sharks are not currently assessed as a separate species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, but they are generally considered to have a low risk of extinction due to their deep-sea habitat and limited interactions with human activities. The goblin shark's remarkable anatomical features and enigmatic lifestyle make it a subject of fascination for marine biologists and deep-sea enthusiasts. While much about this mysterious creature remains unknown, ongoing research and exploration are shedding light on its role in the deep-sea ecosystem.